Hey kids! Have you ever wondered what it's like to get lost in a forest? Well, let me tell you a story about a brave little boy named Mushaf and his amazing adventure with a gentle bear. In a dense forest where the trees whispered secrets to the wind, Mushaf chased a butterfly and wandered too far from his village. Before he knew it, he was lost. The sun dipped below the horizon and shadows stretched across the forest floor. Mushaf felt scared as he heard the unfamiliar sounds of the wild. Just when tears started to fill his eyes, he heard a rustling in the bushes. His heart pounded. Was it a wolf? A tiger? But out came a large brown bear. Its fur was thick and golden under the moonlight, and its deep brown eyes looked kind, not scary. Mushaf took a step back, but the bear sat down, watching him with curiosity. The night was cold, and Mushaf shivered, hugging himself. The bear huffed softly and nudged him toward a tree with a thick pile of dry leaves. Hesitantly, Mushaf sat down. The bear lay beside him, offering warmth. That night, Mushaf fell asleep curled up against the bear's soft fur, feeling safe despite the unknown wilderness. The next morning, the bear guided Mushaf through the forest. It showed him where to find sweet berries and how to drink safely from the river. When Mushaf stumbled, the bear patiently waited for him to stand up. They walked together for hours until Mushaf heard a distant voice calling his name. It was his father.
Mushaf, come back. Father is here, sweetheart, for you. Don't worry now. All is fine now, sweetheart.
Mushaf turned to the bear, his heart heavy. Thank you, he whispered, hugging its massive paw. The bear let out a soft grunt, like a goodbye. As Mushaf ran toward his family, he looked back one last time. The bear stood watching him before disappearing into the trees. From that day on, Mushaf never forgot his friend in the forest. He would often leave berries at the forest's edge, hoping that somewhere the gentle bear knew he was never forgotten. What an incredible adventure. See you next time, kids.